In this video I will show you how to share your location with someone on Android devices. First of all, open the Messages app. Then tap on the chat to open it or start a new one, and select the recipient. Once the chat window opens, tap on the plus icon to the left of the text input box. Tap the location button. Grant permission for the app to access your location. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, once your location is determined, you can send a message by tapping on the Send button. The message with your location will be sent. To display a preview of the message, tap on the area below the message. Please note that the recipient of your message will not be able to track your updated location. Thank you for watching.